Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XRP from Luno to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Luno and want to move it to a more secure, decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have both the Luno app and Trust Wallet installed on your device. If you don't have Trust Wallet yet, download it from the App Store and set up a new wallet. Once you're logged in, open Trust Wallet and navigate to the XRP section. Here, you'll find your unique wallet address. Tap on it and copy it to your clipboard. This address is like your crypto's home address, so don't share it carelessly. Now, switch over to the Luno app. Log in with your credentials and go to your XRP wallet. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double-check that it's correct, as mistakes can lead to lost funds forever. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. For XRP, these are typically low, but they can vary based on the blockchain's congestion. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Luno security methods, like a PIN or 2FA. After initiating the transfer, you'll see a confirmation on your screen. XRP transactions are usually fast, often confirming in seconds, but keep an eye on your Trust Wallet to ensure it arrives. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute or two. The blockchain might just need time to process. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your XRP to Trust Wallet. In 2025, with evolving crypto tech, always stay updated on best practices. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.